Welcome back to Ostringer Creations. I'm Greg. We haven't been in the shop for a while, but I finally got my new to me lathe up and running, and today we're going to try it out. Now, a while back I was over at my buddy KC's Sawmill over in Cartersville and looking for some lumber when I came across this piece in his cutoff pile. This is just where he cut a limb stump off of the side of a trunk before he put the trunk on the sawmill. And I think there may be a fruit bowl hiding in there. We'll see if we can dig it out and find out if I'm right or not. So, I hope you like this adventure. Come along with me and enjoy. This may be the sketchiest piece I have turned yet, but it has got some pretty grain. Not sure how I'm going to get the center cut. But I think I need to go ahead and cut a tenon so I can get this in a chuck and get it out from between these centers to do the inside. Alright. Lift the chuck lights in. I lost some of it. I figured I would. finished. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm happy with the way it turned out. Pretty sure this is white oak. I won't swear to it, but I'm fairly sure it is. It's got some beautiful grain figure, some spalting, but it's dry. If I had enough oil, I'd just put it in a bucket and let it soak for a while, and then work on it. I've got about 3 really heavy coats of mineral oil on it right now, and over the next week or so, I'll rub several more coats into it, get it good and soaked in to preserve it. But I'm happy with it. I really am, and I'm happy with the lathe. So I think it's going to work out really well. It was I was able to get it down to about 200 RPM when I started on this. It was so off balance that I couldn't turn it up without the whole place shaking. But turning that slow and turning that much air has its own problems. It caused me to get quite a few catches. But once I was able to turn it up to about 700 RPM, it smoothed right out and turned like a charm. But this is most likely the sketchiest piece I have turned yet. And I'm not all that sure I'm going to be in a hurry to jump into another one. But we'll see. If the right piece of wood comes along, we might. Who knows? But if you hung around through this whole video, I really appreciate it. And I invite you to come back next time. I've got the McNaughton Center Saver coring system that I'm going to be trying out later this week. I got, over the last 2 or 3 months, I've gotten several new tools. We got the vacuum chuck, and we're trying them all out this week. So come on back and see what we have on the lathe next time, and I hope you enjoy.